Let's get your coffee maker sparkling clean. Start by gathering descaling powder and any necessary accessories. Now, let's clean the grinder. Turn the bean hopper to the unlock position and remove it. Take out the blade and brush off any coffee residue. Rinse the blade with clean water, and when dry completely, put it back. Reinsert the bean hopper. And turn the knob to lock it in place. Make sure the machine has cooled down before you begin. Open the swing-out filter basket. Remove the filter and filter basket. Discard any leftover coffee grounds. Then wash them thoroughly. When dry, align the filter basket and filter with the notches and place them back into the machine. Now let's prepare the descaling solution. Pour the citric acid descaling powder into the water. Stir until it dissolves. Pour the cleaning solution into the water tank up to the max line. Place the carafe onto the warming plate. Select the cleaning mode and press the start button to begin cleaning. The entire cleaning cycle will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, the machine will beep 3 times, and the cleaning indicator will turn off. Discard the water from the carafe. Then run at least 2 more brewing cycles with fresh water to rinse out any residue. Your coffee maker is clean and ready for your next brew.